Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggit.
Yo bro, what's up?
Bawat ngiti biglang
Uy bro,
yung naipinta.
Bro,
Guapo, sikat, adored. It's not my fault I'm built like this. Perfect hair, smile, perfect life. Or at least, that's what they see.
Uy, this lang to sa first stop. Master King.
Sa'yo lang ang tingin, ipinag
relax love. Tapos kan pag malate ta, di magyapunta ka sa pan, kita na good meet.
sa gitna man ng daan. Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan.
She's perfect too, no? Pretty, smart, kind. Any guy would be lucky to have her. But why I can't hear her? Why I can't feel what I'm supposed to feel?
We saw us together, tapos saying na we're so good together, like, first normal man natin kita man, right? Yeah. Uy, Aki! Ulag na ta! Kaya hindi ka kapamasok na ako.
Shouldn't I be broken? Shouldn't my chest hurt? My eyes sting? Pero wala. Not even a tear. Why? Does this feel freeing?
uy bro.
Uy, ikaw man na. Di mo lagan, di ka nagawa pa.
Grabe bro, parang naman nating happy ah.
Lagi na, that goes on.
Lagi mo na ba yung assignment? Wala pa ba yun? Bro, okay na ba? Bro, nalain lagi mong aura. Hindi para sa una.
Ako lang siguro sa dagdag na sa inyo ng activities.
Class, this is Rafa. He's just transferred here. Please make him feel welcome.
Sawadika, I am Rafa Salvacion. I am half Thai and half Filipino.
Okay, Rafa, you can sit beside Aki.
Hi, you choose by the way. Without Richard.
Thanks.
Oh great, loud, touchy, not my type of person.
So, class, today you're having a by-partner project. So, Chrisley, you're going to be partner with Lauren, and Ethan, you're going to be partner with Joshua, and
Of all people,
Aki, you'll
anong
be with
saman?
Rafa.
Yes, it is real. Don't worry, I'm a good partner and I'll bring snacks.
Let's see. We need to on the topic and then divide na lang para dali.
Dad, you're acting like you're defending it. Chill lang, project na hindi nila for that.
I just like getting things done early.
Ay, wow, overachiever ha. Pero seriously, basing na kay mga hobbies that we can connect the topic.
Hobbies like wonder, dance, gym.
Why am I smiling?
Serious
Oh, stop that.
Kasi nakikipit ko like, kasi ni ko kibakman.
Why does he look happy to be around me? And why does that make me feel something? This is stupid. Sleep. Aki, sleep.
Hey. Pangako sa'yo, mahati man ang mundo at magkahiwalay tayo. Gagawan ko ng tulay para magkita tayo. Pangako sa'yo, dumaan man ang bagyo para guluhin tayo. Hindi tatangayin ng hangin ang pag-ibig ko. Lilipat tayo sa kalawakan, iiwanan natin ang mundo. Magkikipig sayawan sa mga lala, basta't may ikaw at ako ay sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko, ang pag-ibig mo, pinagpunan ng langit para sa atin. Pangako lahat bibigay sa'yo. Pangako ko.
Uy, naagin di ka blooming naman ba? Isa mo na siya.
Uy, murag special friend
Project mate na na. Sino?
Project
Bao kita sige mo po yung every weekend. Awak kabalik na.
Pwede ba? Don't act like you're too close to me. I'm not like you.
Hindi ako sala for being myself.
Bro, kung saan man gani mong na-feel, okay ra. You don't have to explain, but you don't need to push people away. Labi na kung matter sila sa imo.
I don't know why. I don't even know what I'm feeling.
Then figure it out. Pero ayaw ipalapot ang mga tao mag-care sa imo.
Dapat ko next time. Bulan ko ba sa sulta?
Sige.
Baka kami block.
About what?
I'm sorry. I was scared. Scared of what I felt of you. I didn't mean to hurt you.
It's okay. You're not the first one. So, I hope you can magpatuloy.
I used to think I had to be someone perfect, someone everyone expected. But now, I know exactly who I am, and I like him. No more pretending, no more masks, just me and the people who see me for real.